How to make your iPhone flash when you get a text or call. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can make your iPhone flash when you get a call or text. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first step here is head over to your settings. After you're on your settings, scroll down and there you should find accessibility right under general. Head over to accessibility and then you'll need to scroll down. Now scroll down until you find audio and visual. It's under the hearing section. Head over to audio and visual. After you're there, you'll need to scroll down all the way. Now under visual, you will see LED flash for alerts. Tap on it and there you should see different options. The first option that you want to turn on is LED flash for alerts. Now if you want the flash while your phone is unlocked, simply tap this button on as well. And if you also want flash when your silent mode is on, turn this button on as well. And with that, now your iPhone will get flash when you get a text or a call. And that is basically how you do it, guys. And that is all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye bye. Take care.